Opa! Here we come. Winter is back in Calgary. February 29. All morning till about 4 o'clock was plus 10 degrees. And the temperature just went down. Years ago, I've seen it, not once, not twice, called Chinook. In the morning, during the day, we'll have plus 20, and then later on in the evening, it can go to minus 25 again. Welcome to Alberta. Look how powerful and beautiful this tree. Yes, I'm by the Glenmore Reservoir, where I come visit my friendly Donald Duck every summer. But now, the reservoir is full of ice. And the Canadian geese left town. Yes, you never know, maybe I'll catch some deers, but so far it's just coming down. You can see how the ground got so much snow. Wow, 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 wow. But it's a beautiful place. I live less than 5 minutes out of here. You've seen the earlier video when I drive. And here we are. God country. Lovely. Hope you like it. Come back. Aronnelife with his serenity idea. Thank you. Welcome to February 29. Plus 10 degrees all day. And look what the afternoon brought us. 5 p.m. in Calgary. Unreal, huh? So much snow came all the way. And it's already minus 7. Gonna be minus 10 and minus 14. And it is a beauty. Yes, I decided to come to video this beautiful tree. Look how beautiful. So solid up in the sky. I love those kind of moment of serenity, of beauty, of this powerful tree. Thousands of years ago, and they're still here. Amazing, huh? It's beautiful. Merry Christmas, everybody. February 29, 2024. Yes, I'm laughing. I've been here forever. Never got used to the idea of a snow and a flake. Lovely. Up, wherever you are, you stay warm. Because in Calgary, we have a week of bad winter again. Nice. Merry Christmas. This is the nest of my magpie. But look at this. What is happening on the sky? It's just coming down. It was plus 10 degrees earlier on the day. It's minus 6 now. And the sky sure coming. Wow. Welcome to Calgary. Plus 10 in the morning all day. And now minus 6. And it's gonna be cold. Minus 10. Look at the roof of the condo the other way. Full of snow. Wow, 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 wow. It should come down. Unreal. What a beauty. Flake of snow in Calgary. Coming years ago from Israel, I'm still fascinated every time I see the snow. Nice, huh? So, Merry Christmas, everybody. And hopefully you are warmer wherever you are. Not us in Calgary. And my magpie are not coming back this year, only last year. Nice. Buon appetito, Arone. I almost burned my stove. You can see 3 eggs, a lot of carrots, and some green stuff which rabbit like to eat. And nice yesterday pierogi with some Italian sauce. That is gonna be nice in my tummy, and I better eat it fast because it's nice and warm. So hopefully you have a nice little lunch. Ciao tutti, Arone with his famous simple cooking.